Lactose intolerant? Don't worry, so am I. But look, I'd rather suffer the consequences than miss out on this dish. An aubergine parmigiana, but I'm going to make it with rice and extra cheese. If you don't want to use rice, you can just buy extra aubergines and use that as a layer, but I literally only had one. So you're going to slice the aubergine into thin slices and then salt it, pepper it, Cajun seasoning it, boil it. Because I'm extra, I wanted the tomato layer to have like extra vegetables, so I added onions, enough to make a grown man cry, but not this one. Get back in there, Tia. Sorry, if you don't know that reference, I don't know if you... Then 2 courgettes and chop them into small pieces, and then you're going to get... Oh yeah, you're going to fry all of them and add carrots. At this point, I just got kind of bored of swapping the angles, so I just didn't... Oh, I did. So yeah, add your seasoning and then your red pepper and then tomato sauce. You're just going to leave that to cook. And then for my favourite part, it's the cheese sauce, butter, flour, and then milk, and then just keep mixing that. Once it boils, you're going to add grated cheese, a lot of it, and then you're just going to mix it all up. Your veg must have cooked, so just add in sweetcorn for an extra yellow flavour. Layers: vegetable layer, rice layer, aubergine layer, cheese sauce layer, and then again veg, but not rice, this time aubergine layer, then cheese sauce, and then extra cheese on top. And a failed attempt at a heart. Bake in the oven for like 45 minutes to an hour, and that's it. You've got a delicious 10 out of 10 golden brown sizzling aubergine parmigiana, a potentially healthy dish that has become unhealthy due to the sheer amount of cheese. Still yum though.